Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at the verb get and see how it can make your English sound more natural and advanced. The verb get has many meanings in English. It can easily replace verbs like receive, arrive, become, buy, understand, bring, and find. Let's have a look at the example sentences. So you can say, I get home at 6 instead of I arrive home at 6. Or I got a message instead of I received a message. It gets cold at night instead of it becomes cold at night. Please get me water instead of please bring me water. I need to get milk instead of I need to buy milk. Where did you get that instead of where did you find that? I've got a car instead of I have a car. Well, technically here you need two verbs, which make the expression to have got. When we possess something, it's more common to say I have got a car or I've got a car. And finally, you can say I get it instead of I understand it. Similarly, you can say we get the bus to work instead of we take a bus to work. Can you get the phone instead of can you answer the phone? Or I get to travel a lot instead of I have an opportunity to travel a lot. He got a cold instead of he caught a cold. She got him to help instead of she persuaded him to help. And she got a good job instead of she obtained a good job. As you can see, using the verb get makes speaking easier because you don't need to use so many different verbs. It makes things simpler for you and at the same time helps you sound more natural and advanced. Subscribe to my channel for more similar videos.